Top 5 Ways to Prevent the Coronavirus. Ever since its first appearance in December 2019 in Wuhan, China, the COVID-19 virus has taken over the world by storm. With nearly 416,546 cases and almost 18,574 deaths as of the making of this video, the anxiety and worries are more spread across the globe than ever, considering that most infected countries, and even many that aren't infected but want to avoid so, have taken the measure of canceling flights and staying in their homes. Nonetheless, there are many things you can do in order to prevent the spread of the virus. Welcome to Top 5 Worldwide, and today we will be talking about 5 ways to prevent the coronavirus. Social distancing. Social distancing is one of the best measures that can be taken to prevent the coronavirus. Make sure to understand your country or district's policies for lockdown if they're undergoing quarantine or curfew, as some US states have different policies, and so does every country affected by the virus. Social distancing consists in avoiding or decreasing contact between those infected with the disease, as to stop the rate and extent of its transmission. If less people come in contact with each other, less people will be infected. So, staying at home and only going out unless it's absolutely necessary is the best way to prevent infection. Constant hand washing. Constantly washing your hands with a sanitizer based in alcohol, water, or soap is a good way to prevent infection. You can help yourself and your loved ones stay healthy by washing your hands often. The key moments when you should wash your hands are before, during, and after preparing or eating food, after using the toilet, after blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing, after touching garbage, and after handling pets. Also, washing your hands will be most effective if you do it properly. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with soap. Lather the backs of your hands, between your fingers, and under your nails. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. For a timer, hum the Happy Birthday song from beginning to end twice. Rinse your hands well under clean, running water. Dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them. This will certainly allow you to kill the virus with disinfectants before it can reach any other surface or even yourself. Wash your hands and save a life. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Keep your hands off your eyes, nose, and mouth at all times. Our hands get in contact with many surfaces that have the possibility of being infected. To prevent infection, avoid touching these 3 key organs with your hands. And, once more, make sure to wash them properly. Cover your mouth while coughing or sneezing. As the virus can be transmitted by respiratory organs and through the air, covering your mouth with your elbow when coughing or sneezing is essential in order to prevent the virus from spreading to other people. If you're feeling sick and presenting the symptoms, get assistance quickly. As per the World Health Organization's website, the officially confirmed symptoms of the COVID-19 are the following: fever, tiredness, dry cough, shortness of breath, aches and pains, sore throat. Some people have also reported diarrhea, nausea, or a runny nose. People with mild symptoms who are otherwise healthy should self-isolate and contact their medical provider or a COVID-19 information line for advice on testing and referral. People with fever, cough, or difficulty breathing should call their doctor and seek medical attention. Seeking medical attention quickly can be beneficial in ensuring prevention of infection. So, once more, if you are presenting any of these symptoms, make sure to get assistance quickly. The COVID-19 has caused many negative effects across several countries and economies, so it's essential that everybody takes the necessary safety measures to avoid infection and transmission to others. We also recommend you to stock up on other emergency supplies that might be useful in case of natural disasters or a lockdown. Remember that, while everybody is up in their homes during the quarantine, nature will still be following its course and doing its own thing. There can be earthquakes, landslides, hurricanes, and other possible natural disasters on top of the quarantine. That is why we recommend you stock up on the following: a flashlight, a battery-powered radio, garbage bags, and camping equipment. While the coronavirus outbreak has caused many countries to take drastic measures to stop the spreading, there's still a lot of confusion regarding what to do or expect during a pandemic or quarantine. We hope these tips have provided you some insight on what things you should prioritize during the COVID-19 pandemic.